Hi, so I'm back again, and today we are at the OPPO Reno event where they are launching this OPPO Reno, and you will soon find out why this phone is so special. But let's first talk about the basics. This phone is a 6.4-inch OLED screen, and at the back you realize that there's this gradient. This is in the color ocean green, and there's also a jet black variant, but this is so much prettier. And if you can feel it, which you obviously can't, but I can, it comes with a glossy finish, but it has this matte texture, so it actually feels really smooth. And another thing that is so amazing about the back is that if you notice, there is no camera bump at all. So this is like flat, there's no bump. This is really different compared to the usual smartphones you see. And of course, we have a full screen, and that is because the front camera is this pivot rising structure camera that actually reminds me of shark fin. So pretty! Also, at the back you realize that there's no fingerprint sensor because this phone actually uses a hidden fingerprint unlock, which is the in-display fingerprint sensor. And at the bottom is getting a USB-C port, while at its side you still get a headphone jack even though it's 2019. So this fancy OPPO Reno is actually powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset, and it comes with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, so this phone can actually store a lot of stuff. And it comes with the latest ColorOS 6 based on Android 9, which I really love because the UI, if you can see, it looks much neater now, and it also comes with an app drawer. Keeps all your things organized. So I've already mentioned that the OPPO Reno has a USB-C port, but it also has a 3765 mAh battery that supports both Flash Charge 3.0. So you can actually charge your phone while you're gaming, and you won't have to worry about it overheating or the performance being affected. What's also fancy about the OPPO Reno is that it has a 48-megapixel main snapper accompanied by a 5-megapixel depth sensor, and on its front, where you have this fancy pivot rising structure front camera, it has a 16-megapixel front camera. So it's actually very nice. I took some photos with it just now, and the pictures looks great even in low light situations, and I really love the selfies. Even in the portrait mode, the bokeh effect is nice. It doesn't look overly fake, and it's very clear. So far, I am loving this OPPO Reno because it not only looks premium, it also feels premium. It's not too light to the point where you feel it's cheap, but it's not too heavy that you hate bringing it around. And the best part is this phone only costs 1,999 ringgit, and I think it's worth it with its unique design. I seriously have never seen a phone with that kind of camera, and it has a 710 chipset. So the OPPO Reno is actually available for pre-order from 17 May up till 27 of May, and you can collect your pre-ordered device on the next day, which is 28 of May. If you pre-order the OPPO Reno now, you'll also get extra gifts such as a smart battery casing, an extended 1-year warranty, and a screen protection warranty. So you should really pre-order if you want this phone. It's 1,999 ringgit, and you get a lot of stuff. So if you're wondering where you can pre-order your OPPO Reno, you can do it at OPPO concept stores, authorized dealers, and also online on Lazada and Shopee. So that's it for our video today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!